Alright, this here break number 601, 2016 Topps Finest. And I was saying we got the free pack and free trout card for National Baseball Card Day, which is today. Card shop's probably closing over most of the country by now. So, here's your chance to get them. Thanks, Anthony. Ed, I got a new microphone for my birthday. I was using my webcam's mic. Now I've got an actual microphone right here. Yeah, when I was testing my mic, I noticed the names were kind of covered if you took the screen sideways. Just put a Pujols. That's kind of fun to hear. What's up, Shane? How are you? Oh, thanks, Ed. Appreciate it. Yesterday was the birthday. I also got a new office chair. Kind of thing. I got stuff centered around breaking because that's what I do a lot. And I wanted the microphone. Didn't like the way the other one sounded. The chair I'm sitting in was a free chair for years ago. It's not that comfortable. And it's a mess. The problem is I sit on my foot. Like I tuck my foot under my butt when I sit. And I walk barefoot a lot, so I often have the black feet. And it gets the chair all dirty. It stained it after time. We're going to get all these out. Well, good, Shannon. Glad you missed nothing as well. I also got new speakers, including a subwoofer. My wife found a refurbished set of speakers with a subwoofer for $20. Originally $80. And if they don't work, we're supposed to be able to take them in and exchange them. And if they don't have refurbished, they give us brand new ones. So she found a good deal. When I'm sorting, I watch TV on my computer. Wife won't quit texting me. Well, that's what she's there for, to communicate with you. Good luck, everybody. Tyson Ross coming out first for the Padres. Athletics, franchise finest, Sonny Gray. Stephen Piscotty, finest, first with the Cardinals. Rookie card. Mets, Jacob deGrom. Francisco Lindor, Indians. Peter O'Brien, rookie Diamondbacks. Carlos Carrasco, Indians. Adam Jones, Orioles. Rangers, Cole Hamels. Brandon Phillips, Reds. Matt Harvey, Mets. Garrett Cole, Pirates. David Wright, Mets. And finest Intimidators, Roger Clemens, Yankees. Seen that card come out a lot, that Clemens card. Corey Seager, rookie Dodgers. Hey, can't hurt to ask for a deal. I see these Escobar Royals when I was getting my office chair earlier today. I asked them if I could have a floor model. They said no. Clayton Kershaw, franchise finest. Wow. Big hitter. Cal Ripken Jr. on-card autograph for the Baltimore Orioles. Mike Hack getting a monster. Nice hit, Mike. That's the thing I like about Finest. They have the ability to pop out these monster autos. The Superfractor last night and the Cal Ripken tonight. Congrats, Mike. Nice one. No color yet. Colton Wong, Cardinals. Salvador Perez, Royals. Bryce Harper, Nationals. Kyle Schwarber, rookie, Cubs. Finest Intimidators, Ichiro for the Marlins. And I haven't seen this one. I don't feel like I've seen this one at all. King Griffey Jr., die cut, finest career for the Mariners. Yeah, top loader. Yeah, it is awesome. I agree. Nice Griffey die cut. Yu Darvish, Rangers. Michael Brantley, Indians. Robinson Cano, Mariners. Brian McCann, Yankees. Josh Donaldson, Blue Jays. Jock Peterson, Dodgers. D. Gordon, Marlins. Franchise finest, Prince Fielder, Rangers. Another big one. Nice box. Francisco Lindor, autograph, green, out of 99 for the Cleveland Indians. That was a beautiful box of finest. Shannon Osborne getting this Lindor auto. Nice hit, Shannon. No color in mini box 1. This is the first color we got, and it's an autograph. A nice one. Great box. Carlos Correa, Astros. Chris Sale, White Sox. Red Sox, Craig Kimbrell. Brandon Crawford, Giants. There's our first color. Prince Fielder, numbered out of 250, purple for the Rangers. Felix Hernandez, Mariners. Ichiro, Marlins. Kenta Maeda, rookie, Dodgers. I forgot that the Indians got traded. Somebody's angry with himself. I don't remember who. Sorry for that. Kyle Seager, Mariners. Hector Oliveira, rookie, Braves. Jose Fernandez, Marlins. Miguel Cabrera, Tigers. Rockies, Nolan Arenado. Red Sox, Rusney Castillo. Giants franchise finest, Buster Posey. Finest Intimidators, Albert Pujols, Angels. Last stack here, Ryan Howard, Phillies. Frankie Montez, rookie, Dodgers. Ian Kinsler, Tigers. Green, Clayton Kershaw, out of 99 for the Dodgers. Nice Kershaw. Will Myers, Padres. Ketel Marte, rookie, Mariners. George Springer, Astros. David Price, Red Sox. Miguel Sano, rookie, Twins. John Lester, Cubs. And Jake Arrieta, Cubs. Finishes out the box of finest. Really good autographs. Not a lot of color. But one heck of a box of finest. Top loader pile there. And we have that King Griffey die cut. 2 autographs. Francisco Lindor out of 99 for the Indians. And the other one, Monster Cal Ripken Jr. for the Orioles. Very nice autographs. Let's go ahead and give these away. I'm going to randomize the whole list. Number 1 spot gets this pack. Let me know if you want me to bust it and let everybody see what's in it. I won't open it unless you tell me I can. Mike Trout going to go to the number 2 spot. Just single eye through into the top loader. Alright, list here. Now, be in alphabetical order. I roll for 6 or more. Let me bring you over. Number 1 spot, getting the pack. Number 2, getting the Trout. I've got 9. These are just freebies. My card shop gave me some because I spend a lot. So props to them. And you guys get to benefit. There's 2. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Last time coming. Good luck. 9. After 9 rolls, Shannon Osborne, you've won the pack. I'll open it on camera if you want. See what's in there. Your choice. Mike Hack, you get Mike Trout. So Mike Hack, you get this Mike Trout. It's a base card, but kind of maybe a little rare in the sense that they're not available to quite everybody. And in this pack here, going to Shannon Osborne. Let me write that down. Busted? Alright, we'll bust it. Get free pack going to Shannon Osborne. Let's see what's in it. We know Francisco Lindor. Kind of funny that you're getting another one of him. Just a reminder, we have a football breakup, new Immaculate Collegiate, and a baseball mixer up. The baseball mixer includes 2 of these packs going to winners. Francisco Lindor, Indians. These are out of the free pack. You got a Topps Now. Do what you want with that. I'll throw it in. Francisco Lindor, Indians. Adrian Beltre, Rangers. Jarrell Cotton, Rookie Athletics. Orioles, Manny Machado. And Freddie Freeman for the Braves. Nothing crazy, but free bonus. Headed your way, Shannon. Alright, guys, I'm off until the next break. I have more packs to give away. And they're a little bit, oddball. They're not crazy common because not everybody's going to get them. Pack goes to Shannon Osborne and Mike Trout, Mike Hack. Alright guys, take care. See you soon.